Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add email template here in Hubspot. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time here in HubSpot, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding email templates in HubSpot is a straightforward process that gives you several advantages, particularly for businesses and marketing teams. Now, once you are logged into your account, just hover to the left side panel of your dashboard. Depending on how you set up your HubSpot account, you might want to check into the marketing and go to the email. You see, there's going to be an option here to create an email if you haven't already, right? You can create a beautiful personalized email. You can create a personalized email that's automatically sent to regular contacts. Just click on the regular email and you would be forwarded here to select a template. All right. So there are like part of the paid subscription or the pro subscription. You might want to check in the free templates for you. Okay. In my case, I'm going to be using something like for the birthday or e-commerce re-engagement. If you click on it, there's going to be a preview option wherein if you think this is going to be the email template that you wanted to use, you might want to click on the preview and send, or preview as contact, or inbox preview, or you can even send test email if you want it. All right. Of course, you can put your email address here as you can, and you can send test emails. But we'll do that later because we can replace the image here. All right, click on replace image. It will be forwarded to add some image here. Okay, let me do that. As you can see, after using the image here, right? Now you can edit the text that you wanted. For example, this. And we can sort again another image if you want, if you don't like it. All right. You can put in the logo here. I'm going to click on replace. Once you've done that, all you have to do is put in the logo and that's it. You can review and send. And of course, recipient is required. So you would be able to create or add your email template here in HubSpot. Now you can use this when creating campaigns in HubSpot. So you're not going to be able to start from scratch. And by doing so, it's an excellent way to maintain quality and improve marketing effectiveness, and of course, boost your productivity. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.